In Google Classroom, it's really easy to share a file with a student if you want them to complete some work on it. So for example, I have this document here, which is a Word document, and I want the students to be able to write their answers on these documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this document into a Google Doc so that I can make a copy for each of the students and they can complete it on their Google Classroom. So what I need to do is I take the document that I want, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it into my Google Drive. So I've gone to Google Drive, I've gone to my folders, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste it in there. So once I've pasted it into the My Drive folder, I'm going to actually go and find it in my Drive. So all I need to do is just go into My Drive and find the folder that I placed it into. And there's the document there. I know it's a Word document because it's got this W beside it. What I want to do then is just open it up using Google Docs, because at the moment I can't edit this, so it's Google Docs. Just takes a moment and this will convert. And once that's done, I can close it down, and in here you've now got another file, and this one here is a Google Docs icon. So that one is now a Google Doc. The last thing I've got to do now is share that file with the students, so this one here. So I'm going to go into my classroom, so I'm in classwork. I'm going to create an assignment, and we'll just call it test for now. You can change the points, you can give it a due date. I'm just going to leave that blank at the moment, and I'm going to go topic 5 databases, and then I'm going to attach. You can find it where it is. It's going to be in my recent files because I've just created it. So I go to recent, it's this one here, it's not the Word document. You can attach any other file, so if you needed some supporting files, so I would attach my actual database. Instead of students can view the file, I'm going to say make a copy for each student, and I'm going to click assign. And then under databases, there's that test that I created. When the students open your classroom, then they'll just click on here, and up here it will say your work, and they will just click on this and it will open up in Google Drive for them. So it doesn't matter again if they're working on Mac or if they're working on Windows. Now when they finish, on their document they open, it will actually say turn in up the top right, so they need to click that and that will submit to you. And here's one that I have done already, so I'm just going to click in here and it's going to show me the students that have handed it in already. There are then two ways of marking the assignment. You can just click here and it will open up, look at it and just type in their mark here, or if you want to give them some detail, you can just click on here. Again, you just click and it will open up. You can write their comment here and you write their mark here. I've set the marks for this to be out of 5 points, but you can set it to anything else, anything that you want to. The final thing to know as well is that on my Drive, if I go into Classroom and I go into my class there, that one we call test, you'll see it's created a copy of that for each of my students in there.